Okay, today we are speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, very good. High five. Okay, so let's introduce ourselves. My name is Teacher Cindy. What's your name?
My name is Johnny.
Hello, Johnny. How old are you?
I'm good.
How old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
How are you today?
I'm good.
Good job. Okay, so let's start now. Here we go. Okay, Johnny, what's this?
It's pen.
Okay.
It's pencil. It's eraser. It's ruler. It's pencil color. It's backpack.
Very good. Okay, high five. Okay, teacher asked you, you will say it's a pen, it's a pencil. Okay, what is it?
It's a backpack.
Okay, what is this?
It's a pencil color.
What is this?
It's a pencil.
Very good. Okay, what's this?
It's book. It's notebook. Desk. It's chair.
Yes, very good. Okay, so today we're going to make a sentence. You'll say it's a book, it isn't a notebook. Okay, ready? Can you try?
It's book.
It isn't.
It's
It isn't. Isn't.
isn't a book.
Not.
No book.
Okay, how about this one? It's
It's
a.
a chair.
It isn't.
It isn't a desk.
Yes, very good. Okay, next. What shape is it?
Triangle.
Oh,
Circle.
okay. Square.
Square. Triangle. Rectangle.
Okay, very good. Okay, you will say yes, it is. No, it isn't. Ready? Okay. Is it a circle?
Yes. It is.
Is it a triangle?
Yes. It is.
Is it a square?
No. It isn't.
Very good. Okay, what's this?
Pen. Paper. Chalk. Ear.
Yarn.
Jar. Balloon. Tape.
Yes, good job. Okay, teacher asked you what's this? This is paint, this is paper. Okay, what's this?
It
This.
is paper.
Okay, what's this?
This is blue.
Okay, what's this?
This is pet.
Wow, good job. Okay, what color is it?
Red, yellow, blue, white, black.
Okay. Teacher asked you what color is it? You say it's red, it's yellow, it's blue. Ready? Okay, what color is it? It's
It's blue.
what color is it?
It's black.
What color is it?
It's red.
Wow, very good. Okay, so what color is it?
Green, purple, orange, pink, gray, brown.
Very good. Okay, so let's mix the color, okay? For example, blue
Blue
and
and yellow. My green,
Yes, very good. How about this one?
red
And
and blue. My purple.
wow, very good. How about this one?
Red and red and white. My pink.
Okay, very good. Last one.
Yellow. My red.
Yellow and
Yellow and red. My orange.
Yes,